Today I'm gonna talk about how to install latest version of TestNG. To install TestNG into your Eclipse, it's pretty easy, and the last version of TestNG doesn't work anymore, and you have to be installed like latest version of Eclipse also to work on TestNG. So I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So to do this, first of all, open your browser and type like TestNG. When you type TestNG, and then it's gonna launch me to the original website, which is testng.org. When you see this link, and then just click on it and then you will go to their official website, where you will see like TestNG is a testing framework, and like over here it says like Eclipse. So if you want to install into your Eclipse, just click on Eclipse, and then what you have to do, see over here it says like installation, and they have like how to use the TestNG. It has like step-by-step process. If you go through them, you can go through, but I'm gonna show you how you can just install the plugins to your Eclipse. So click on install, and then you click on install plugin, scroll it down, then it's gonna give you, see it says install software, and there is a link. You just have to copy the URL, and from your Eclipse you gotta click on help. See, those are the requirement you need to install before Eclipse start. Suppose Java 1.7 plus is required to install your Eclipse, and also like Eclipse 4.2 is required to work on TestNG. Now we're gonna go back to our Eclipse, and for now I'm gonna open like create a new project for TestNG. You don't have to do it, but I just want to show you how to create a project, and under project, and then you can create a package and a class. So you just click on project, then give it a name. I'm gonna name it TestNG, and then just click on finish. Now we have created the TestNG project. Now we're gonna create a package. Just give it a name like pack 1 or whatever you like. and inside the package we're gonna create a new class, give a name, and click on public static void main, then click on finish. I named it fasty 1 and then click on checkbox, finish. Alright, we created our new class. Now we copied the link and we're gonna go to help and install new software. We're gonna paste our link which we got in the Eclipse browser, from the browser. So when you paste it, then it says like pending. It's gonna take a little bit time, couple of seconds, and then you will see like it's gonna say like TestNG. See the TestNG. Now you click the box and hit enter. We get 3 of them, TestNG M2M. Just click on next, accept the license agreement, click on finish. Now it's gonna take a little bit time to install the software into Eclipse, and you can get a security warning like this. Just click on install anyway. You just read carefully what it says. If you want to, just click install anyway. And after that, like how you gonna know it's properly installed into your Eclipse or not, I'm gonna show you now. So to see this, click on window, then click on preference, and if you go down, you will see like there is one thing, it's called TestNG. But if you just type like TestNG, and you will see like TestNG, it will show up. If it is show up, that means it's like installed perfectly. If it doesn't, that means it didn't install perfectly.